we go.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in Big Bend, Florida, Dixie County in Big Bend, Florida, Taylor County in Big Bend, Florida,
That scared me.
Southeastern Madison County in Big Bend, Florida, until 9:45 p.m.
scared
Eastern
me.
Daylight Time. At 8:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms
I know, right?
along a line extending from 11 miles south of Madison to 18 miles west of St. moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Dude, the 2004-261 went off.
Miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mayo, Harry, Steinhatchee, Cross City, Lee, Finland, Shamrock, Jug Island, Old Town, Foley, Harry Foley Airport, San Pedro Junction, Boyd, Smith, Hopewell, Carver, Adams Beach, Fountain, Bird Island, and Eugene.
Oh my
The
goodness.
tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Big Bend, Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Madison and Taylor,